Welcome to my channel on YouTube. I am here to present you with this video on YouTube. Enjoy the show.
This is spicy buffalo wheat thins by Nabisco, in which I'm doing a food review right now on spicy buffalo wheat thins, and I'm going to try one. And this is what it looks like for spicy buffalo. I'm going to go ahead and try one. Here I am. I'm going to try one right now. This has the kick to it, and it's wonderful. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Check out my social media networks and my blogs. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.